To get enough clearance to remove the driveshaft carrier bolts, we're going to lower the back end of the exhaust, so remove the 6 hangers and then let it hang down. Next, we'll undo the 4 nuts holding the 2 driveshaft carriers on. You can see here we actually didn't lower the exhaust first, and we struggled a lot to get the driveshaft carriers down, so definitely lower the exhaust. Next, we'll cut off the OEM carrier. We started on the back one, but you could do either one. Make 2 cuts, top and bottom. That's going to allow you to remove the frame. Next, use a razor blade to cut the rubber that connects the outer frame to the bearing. Make one final cut front to back and remove the rubber from the bearing entirely. Repeat the cutting process on the other carrier. Now we'll install the new carrier, take the 2 halves, install the bushings in them, and then clamp them around the drive shaft, text facing forward. As you're tightening the bolts, make sure to switch back and forth from left and right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. Slip the isolation dampers over the feet. Now take a fender washer, put it on your stud adapter, then go up through the isolation damper. Your carrier may have come with different bushings to go around the feet of the carrier. The one in the video looks like this. It's just one bushing that slides onto the foot. When we went into production, we changed the style of the bushings. So now you're going to have a bushing for the top and bottom of each foot. So you're going to take your stud adapter, fender washer, put one bushing on it, go up through the carrier, and then you're going to come down from the top with the other bushing, and then your small washer is still going to go on the very top. Now take your small washers and push them up onto the studs. You should be able to get them to hold in place. In our case, we started with the rear carrier, now we're moving to the front. Make sure that you get the foot of the lower piece up over the exhaust or you won't be able to do it later.